Hi students, today we see how to find rank of a word. First of all, you need to understand what is the rank of a particular word. I think you observed dictionary meaningful words will be there. If you want a meaning of any word, you'll go through dictionary, and in the dictionary in alphabetical order all the words will be given. So in mathematics also, if you want to find the rank of a particular word, whether it has its meaning or not, if you go on writing all the letters of the word, whether it has a meaning or not, the position of the word which we require is called rank. For example, I want to find the rank of the word car. Okay, so in this, what are the alphabets present? First, let us write them in alphabetical order. You don't think about its meaning, whether it has a meaning or not. You write in according to the alphabetical order. So according to alphabetical order, A comes first, and after A in among alphabets, C comes next, and R is the last letter. Is it not? So first of all, I have to finish up all the words starting with A. I wrote first word starting with A, and second possibility is A, interchange them, or C. All the letters, all the words starting with A are over now. Now, according to alphabetical order, C should come in the starting place. So C. Now, words starting with C started. In the remaining places also we have to follow alphabetical order. So if I start with C, according to alphabetical order, which letter comes next means A, and the remaining is R. Car. What is our required word? Car. Where it occurred? In third place. In third place we got car when we try to write all possible words in alphabetical order. So we say that the rank of car is 3. Now I can say rank of car is 3. Since this is a 3-letter word, it is easy to write all the words and say its rank. But when it comes to a bigger word, writing all the words is difficult. So we should have some technique to find the rank of such words. See how to find rank of such words. For example, Sachin, Sachin. I want to find the rank of the word Sachin. So first, alphabetical order. A comes first, C, H, I, L, M, and S. So alphabetical order I wrote first. Then start writing alphabetically. All words alphabetically. So how to start words alphabetically means first same alphabetical order comes A, C, H, I, N, S. So it is difficult to write all words and find the rank of Sachin by writing all words. If it gets in some hundredth place, before the rank of the given word, writing those many hundreds of numbers, hundreds of words is difficult. So logically, how many places are there? 6 letters are there. I keep 6 boxes. I put 6 boxes like this. So according to alphabetical order, which letter should come first? A. So I fix A there. So starting with A, how many words will be coming means, if I fix the letter A here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are there, 5 empty places are there. They can be filled in these 5 boxes in 5 factorial ways. We have already seen this in some of the problems of permutations. So 5 letters, 5 boxes can be filled in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. So there are 5 factorial words which starts with A. Whether they have meaning or not, it is immaterial. How many words we can write starting with A means 5 factorial, which is 120. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. No? 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. 23, 62 is 120. So it comes to 120 there. All the words starting with A are over. After all the letters of the word starting with A are over, now we have to count the number of words which start with the next alphabetical letter is, alphabetical order letter is C. So starting with C, I take boxes like this. Okay, all the letters starting with A are over, all the words starting with A are over. Now I have to count the number of words starting with C. Similarly, again 5 blanks, and if I fix this C here, if I fix C there, again 5 letters are there. To put in 5 boxes, they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So again 120. Like this, all the words starting with C will be over. Again 120 words are coming. We don't want word starting with C also. We want word starting with S. So until we reach S in alphabetical order, keep on writing like this, starting with alphabetical order. And the next letter is H. We finished all words starting with A, 120 came. We finished all words starting with C, again 120 came. Now all words starting with H. So if I fix H here, again 5 factorial ways, 120. If I fix H here, 5 letters are there to keep in 5 boxes. That can be done in 5 factorial ways, which is 120. After completion of words starting with H, we have to start writing words starting with I. I fix I here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes are left. So when I fix I here, the remaining 5 letters can be kept in these 5 boxes in again 5 factorial ways, which comes to 120 again. Now starting with N, similarly starting with N. So if I fix this N here, the remaining letters can be kept in these 5 places in 5 factorial ways, which is 120 again. Next comes to S, which is the required first letter. So here see what happens. Among 6 boxes, when I get the required letter in that particular place, I am searching for that letter in an alphabetical order starting from A. Okay, when I reach the required letter, you block this. this box has been blocked with S. Okay, now start searching for the second place, because we require S in the first place. Okay, we started searching in alphabetical order. We reached S after finishing up all the words starting with these letters. We reached this. When we reach the required letter in that particular position, you block that. We have blocked S. Now start searching for the second letter. Okay. Again, while searching, start from starting letter in alphabetical order. What is the starting letter in alphabetical order? A. And remember, if one letter is blocked here, it is for convenience sake, you cut that one, because that letter has already blocked here. Okay, it makes no sense here, so you remove that one. You can remove. Now start searching for the second letter. I have to keep A and see whether the required letter in the second position is A or not. Yes, required second letter is A only, so you can block this A as well. Block this A. So start searching for the third letter. For the third letter, start searching in an alphabetical manner. So what is the first letter there? First letter in alphabetical order is C now. So keep C and see for the requirement. In the third position, what is required for our word? C only. So we got C only. You block this. C also got blocked. You cut this. Now start searching for the fourth letter in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, which is the first letter left there, H. And see for the required letter in the fourth position. Yeah, required letter is also H. So you can block that one also. Again, start searching for the fifth place in alphabetical order. So since I blocked H here, don't forget to cut this. After starting searching for the fifth position, first one is I there. Keep I. See the required letter in that position. In that position, required letter is I only. So block that one also. And only one box is left, one letter is left. It's not. I blocked now. After blocking I, we have to cut that one. So that can be done in only one way. So no box is empty here. For that you keep 0 factorial. Always this is the required position to say rank. So this is equal to 1. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 120 is 600. Plus 1 is 601. So I can say rank of Sachin is 601. I hope you understood, right?